It's at events like this that a student's behavior changes. This is the only chance that you get to sit and watch other people compete and then applaud them, and then they applaud you, and it shows people that if we all try something together, it's going to get better for all of us.
Hi, my name is Mr. Ventura. I'm here from PS92 at the tournament of drone soccer.
My name is Mary Barnes, and I'm the assistant principal at Archimedes Academy. We have been blessed to work with Vivid Imagination for the last few years. In the last 2 years, we've really focused on the drone program with both our middle school and our high school.
Hello, my name is Damian Griffin. I'm a third grade bilingual teacher at PS30. The drone soccer program is great. It gives them an opportunity to see a different way that technology is used.
The program is amazing because the students learn not only how to fly the drones, but also the mechanics behind the drones. Some of our students are even working on constructing their own drones.
Hi, this is April Wei. Right now, the drone soccer is very popular everywhere to the world. And I am very happy to see what they have got achieved. And this is very nice. And I think that drone soccer will be the future STEM education sport.
Sarabay, I'm Cymbaline's mom.
Hi, I'm Cymbaline, and I'm the daughter of Sarabay.
My schoolmates and her teachers have been helping her understand what it's like to work and build with drones. And we really appreciate all their assistance and hope that she has more experiences like this in the future.
I hope that in the future, every child has an opportunity for something like drone soccer or something related, because that's the only time that students get to show who they are on a different level rather than in a classroom seated behind a desk.
I had so much fun today, and I learned new things. I learned how to control the drone. I learned how to be a good sportsman. I also learned how to have fun.
It was nice. It was really competitive, really fun to play with friends.
These skills will definitely carry them forward. Our high school students have the opportunity to earn their drone pilot license, and our middle school students take an engineering class, and this is just part of it. So the idea of the mechanics behind the drones, how the drones are built and how they operate, definitely help them as they move up through high school and the other sciences.
Yes.
I think this is an amazing program, and I hope to find more schools with this program in the future.
It was a great experience for our students. The invitation was welcomed, and we hope we could do it in the future again. The students have a great an opportunity to go out and to do something different besides the academic work. So we look forward to doing something in the future with this program as well. So thank you for inviting us, and goodbye.